over? Oh no! Shall we put him up? Shall we put him up? There we go, we'll put him up. There you go. Yeah. What happened? Who's that? Peekaboo? Uh-oh. Oh no, he fell over. Oh, we want him up. We want him up. Shall we pick him up? Hello. Hello. Oh, look, he's next to the girl. Oh. Nobody's nose. Oh, be gentle. Jellybean. What about the girl? Yeah, what about the girl? Uh-oh. I think you're in trouble now. He's gonna fall down. Eek!
He leaned on me.
Oh dear. Shall we pick him up? We'll pick him up. We'll pick him up. Here we go. We'll put him over this side with the girl. Have you noticed the girl yet? Oh, you don't care about the girl. Oh, hello. Hello.
I'm going to root you.
Oh, you're a bit harsh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Hoi, hoi.
Jellybean, what have you done?
Interesting, he went straight over the beak, both of them, straight over the beaks.
Oh.